Hey, welcome back to another video. Did you guys know that Barkbuster Handguards makes handguard bends like this for almost all makes and manufacturers of motorcycles? So even if it's a street bike like this Yamaha MT-09, you can put handguards on it. This here's the left side already mounted up. Fits perfectly. Lots of room for everything, including the clutch cable. There's no rubbing, no touching, anything like that. Down here is the rest of the kit. So I'll show you guys how to install the right side. See, the left side's already done. First thing we're going to do is take this stock bar end off. It's kind of nice. Yamaha actually put some threaded inserts in the handlebars on this generation of MT-09, so it makes it really easy to put the handguards in. We'll loosely assemble all this here. On the throttle side, the thicker aluminum goes on it. And also on the throttle side is this straight piece that mounts into here. On the clutch side, it's that angled one to go down and under the clutch cable. Okay, let's grab our right hand mount. This longer bolt here goes in and through. Bar end weight. The thicker aluminum piece. The thin one went on the clutch side, so that goes in there. Should give your throttle lots of room. And then we'll just loosely get these on the handlebars and take everything up there. Now that we're back up here at the handlebars, these clamps here, you're going to see these rings there. These go towards the inside when you install them. The next step is to take this apart and reroute the wires underneath the brake cable there so that you got room to fit through your clamps for the handguards. Just going to gently push it between the handlebar and the brake there. That was pretty easy. Should have room for our handguard clamp now. Stick that bottom one in there. Then you'll take the longer of the Allen keys, put it through the back, and we'll just put that on loosely to hold it for now. And again, being on the throttle side, we'll use this straight one, then the shorter Allen and the nut. Just loosely put that in there again as well. Here's our actual bar there. Everything's all assembled like we did a bit earlier. So we'll just thread that in the end here. Get that nicely put in there to hold it. Just keep it loose, same as everything else. Same as this here. We'll just loosely put in this here. Make sure everything's looking good, and then we'll slowly start to snug everything up. So the first one I like to snug up is this end one here. Just kind of holds everything in place. Makes everything easier to line up that way. It gives us a really good space between our throttle with that washer that they provided. And again, the two aluminum spacers that are in here are different sizes for clutch and throttle side. So okay, try and get everything lined up, make it look about the same height, and get everything snugged up here. Looks like I got them both lined up pretty even. I usually just stand behind and try and look over the grip at the same time at both of these. Make sure they're kind of looking the same for height and angle there. So now we can snug these on up. Always tighten this front one first so it squishes down onto that there and holds it. And then snug the back one after that. We're going to tighten up this back one here. There we go. These two are snugged up nice now. We'll snug up this one here. There we go. Everything on this side and this side is all tightened up to the German tightening standard of Guten Tight. I'm gonna take our two nice little dangly flaps here and re-put this cluster of cables back on the handlebar. There we go. Now that the handguard frames are mounted, you can add on your plastics, whether you go with, say, like the Storms here, like I went with, just because they're bigger, cover more. Or you can also go with like the flag style, kind of depending, you know, what size and style. And Barkbusters has every different color under the sun, so depending what color you want, what style, you can kind of choose from there. Just gonna start this first screw in here a little bit. Get it started so it can hold it for me. Then on the Storm handguards, these go in kind of at the corner there. We'll take these screws and this piece here, put it in on there, the right way, that's backwards, like that there. I'll get the screws in there. There, looks like we got that one all lined up and started here. There we go, those are all nice and tight in there now. Holds the handguard back perfectly, just gotta snug up that one there. We're pretty much on the home stretch. That's a quick, easy install of the Barkbusters on the Yamaha MT-09. Fit is absolutely perfect, like everything that comes from Barkbusters is. Yeah, just look at that. Nothing rubs, nothing touches, just perfect amount of kind of distance between there. Also same with the throttle. You got nice play there. So yeah, thank you for tagging along and watching how I installed my Barkbusters on my Yamaha MT-09. We'll catch you guys in the next one.